Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about quick DNA. You should place any order for your DNA test or not. Is this platform legit or it just another scam? Okay, so first of all you can see this platform is approx like 15 years from now, and the time period is really good one. And if we talk about in the terms of presentation, they are available on LinkedIn also, and in the terms of legitness they are looking like a legit one. But there is one biggest problem, that is like reviews. Basically when you check their reviews on Trustpilot, you will see they have approx 700 reviews, and 90% of 700 is approx 1 star rated. And most of the customers are complaining like refund related problems, payment related problems, and spam related problems. And the customers results, they are not getting accurate results. So these are the basic problems. So I would like to suggest you, if you are going to perform any test, please contact with their customer support team, because when you place any order on their website or on their platform, the contact information is little bit hard, how we can contact, and the method is little bit hard. So I would like to request you, if you are going to place any order, please contact and please ask these type of questions, like why they are getting negative reviews on Trustpilot, so they will clarify each and everything. So this is the information for you. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and bye bye, take care.